Hello students! Quick video to talk with you about the results of your stress questionnaire. The higher your score on the stress questionnaire, likely the more stress you have and probably the more mismanaged anger you have. The more anger that you have that is not well managed, the more dangerous it is for long-term problems like depression or anger management issues. And the more stress you have, the more you need to focus on stress management techniques. So if you think about the universe giving you 100 bits of energy every day, you get 100 bits of energy from the universe, and if things go well in the day, you use your 100 bits of energy, or let's just call them points. You use your 100 points, and by the time you're ready to go to bed, your points are gone and you fall asleep and you've had a good day. However, each of those things that you checkmarked that causes you stress on your stress questionnaire, each one of those points is like a point that's taken away from your energy for the day. So if you scored, let's say, an 80 on the stress questionnaire, that means 80 of your points for the day that just help you get through the day in an easy and relatively low stress way, 80 of those points are sucked away because of the stress and anger you're experiencing. That makes life less enjoyable. Whereas if you had a lower score, like maybe 15, 17, 20, the relatively little of your energy, of your points from the universe, are spent on managing stress and or dealing with the stressors and managing your anger. And that means that you have more of those points just to get through the day and to end up at the end of the day feeling tired, ready to go to bed, but in a good way. So students, think about stress and anger draining energy out of you, because that's what happens when you have to deal with stress and anger and you're not well equipped to do that. It drains you and it causes you to be less resilient. Resiliency is the ability to bounce back after a challenge, to work your way through a challenge. Lots of us have experienced challenges in the last year, and many people have been able to be resilient, bounce back, get through it. Many people have not. So the more points you have from the universe to get through the day, the better your chances are of experiencing that resiliency. And you are going to enjoy your life more when you learn how to manage your stress, when you learn how to shift your attitudes, strengthen your body. Your physical health has to do with your stress management, to be able to calm your nerves when you're feeling tense. All of those things will help you lead a happier and healthier life. Because really, who wants to live a long life if it's a really unhappy life? It's better to be able to manage your stress and anger so that your life can be enjoyable to live. That's about all. Thank you for listening. Bye.